Thank you. Thank you.
Let's
Namaskar.
quickly go to Maharashtra, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Sushi Ben Pathak, Manisha Kayande, the BJP spokespersons also with us, Manjinder Sirsa. Maharashtra is a big story because after Uttar Pradesh, it returns the maximum number of seats to the Lok Sabha. Everybody thought कि अब की बार ये फंसेगा. This could perhaps set the tone for this election. फंस रहा है कि नहीं फंस रहा है? Let's look at the numbers. The numbers are, this is the number, ladies and gentlemen. 32 to 35 seats for the NDA. 42 last time around. This time, because despite the diffusion, the emotional card, INDIA at the most can get 18 out of the 48 seats. The NDA can win up to 35 seats. Now, is that too much of a flux? How would you look at these projections? Quick word, Nalin Mehta and Rahul Shivshankar before we bring in Sushi Ben and
Just
Manisha
looking at the
Kayande.
Maharashtra numbers right now, it appears, and this is important to look at. If
8%
you just look
difference
at
in vote share.
Yes, so the vote share remains pretty much the same, but the problem is for the Shiv Sena, the UBT that is, the UBT has actually gone down by significant amounts. And that's the crisis really. The Congress not so much in the race, it's retained as many as it had last time or perhaps just about there. But it's the UBT Shiv Sena, the Thackeray's that are in trouble. And of course,
Nalin, I mean, at 32 to 35, I think they had last time 41 or 42. Yeah. So that's a fall of about 10 seats. That's not a small number.
That's not a small number. I'm not sure we have the breakdown with the BJP and so on. The sense
the BJP is, I think, 20 to 23, if I'm not mistaken.
they've gone hell on.
So this 23,
their old
then they are
tally.
holding on.
So they are holding to their tally.
So what
That's their old
does it
tally.
mean? If the BJP is holding on after this whole khichdi that has happened in Maharashtra, where nobody knew, including on the poll symbol, people weren't sure who to vote for and so on. If the BJP is holding on, that's a very significant number. See, among the swing states in this election was always going to hinge on, in terms of the majority or 350 or 320 and all that, on Maharashtra, Bengal, UP. Now, in Maharashtra, if the BJP is holding on to its original seats and the fall is only
But
just quickly
in
going 9 months, there's an assembly election.
Yeah.
The Shiv Sena, the UBT Shiv Sena has taken a massive hit.
Okay.
Yeah.
It
Well,
is facing
why
an
don't the two
existential
of you
crisis.
That means
also
the
take this
saffron
question to
vote is
Manisha
remaining
Kayande and
with the
Manjinder
BJP.
Sirsa who are with
The
us.
Muslim vote is with
Manisha
BJP.
Kayande ji,
That's
BJP
right.
अपने
The
सीट से
larger vote moved back to
BJP is
the
holding its
absolute.
seats. BJP is holding its seats, but saying Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena पे लग रही है, and also somewhere the Ajit Pawar faction of the
Saffron
NCP
vote
is
is
losing
leaving.
because
The
there is a
UBT.
10 seats minus compared to the last time, 42 to 32 lower band. How do you look at these projections for Maharashtra?
See, these are the exit poll results. I am 100% sure when 4th of June, when the actual results will come out, we are definitely going to get more seats, and that is for sure, because I'm talking this on two things. One, the image and the work done by the central government. Secondly, the work done by Eknath Shinde as a CM of Maharashtra along with Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. But this is for sure because people don't want to listen to sympathy stories. People are interested in progress of the country. विकसित भारत आगे भी देखना चाहते हैं लोग, और इसीलिए लोगों ने मोदी जी को और महाराष्ट्र में एकनाथ जी शिंदे इनको पसंद किया है, क्योंकि ये जो एनडीए की युति है ये बहुत पुरानी युति है, और इसीलिए लोगों को चाहिए कि विकास, लोगों को विकसित भारत देखना चाहते हैं. इतने सारे काम जो
हमारे जो रुझान जो बता रहे हैं एग्जिट पोल के, मनीषा जी, बीजेपी इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू रिटेन 20 to 23. लास्ट टाइम दे गॉट 23. जहां एनडीए को मतलब नुकसान हो रही है, दैट इज फ्रॉम इट्स एलाइज, व्हिच इज योर पार्टी प्लस अजीत पवार का एनसीपी फैक्शन.
Well, as I said, these are the exit poll. I'm sure that on 4th of June, you will see better results, because of course, one thing that might go is the declaration of candidature, which took a much later time. That may affect, but I'm still confident that people will vote for Modi ji as a Prime Minister.
Okay.
Right. Manjinder Sirsa ji, will you take 32 seats? Given the entire khichdi, given the flux, BJP retaining its seats in Maharashtra, but many did not even expect it to win 25 seats, the NDA. This time the upper projection is 35. Not so far away from what will you take these numbers for Maharashtra?
इंटायर इवन मीडिया वॉज सेइंग कि नहीं जी वहाँ तो अलग से हालात बने हुए हैं, वहाँ तो सीट नहीं आएंगी,
वहाँ तो शिवसेना को सिंपैथी मिल रही है, वहाँ मराठा कार्ड चल रहा है। इफ यू रिमेंबर द मीडिया ऑफ महाराष्ट्र वाज सेइंग कि ये तो खत्म हो गया, ये बीजेपी तो अब महाराष्ट्र से खत्म हो जाएगी, ये तो यहाँ पे लोकल मराठा कार्ड चल गया, यहाँ पे तो ये है, गुजरात फैक्टर नहीं आ सकता। देयर वर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वर मिक्स्ड अप, बट वन थिंग इज कमिंग आउट वेरी क्लियर, देयर मोदी मैजिक इज देयर इन महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो। मोदी जी का जलवा महाराष्ट्र में बरकरार है, एंड आई एम श्योर एक नाथ शिंदे जी का जलवा भी इसी तरह 4 तारीख को बरकरार रहेगा। लोगों ने अलायंस को वोट डाली है काम के लिए। कोई महाराष्ट्र की ये बात नहीं थी कि महाराष्ट्र का ए फैक्टर काम करेगा, बी करेगा, सी करेगा। ओनली फैक्टर वॉज कि क्या आपने काम किया है, क्या गरीबों के लिए मोदी जी खड़े हुए हैं, क्या पिछड़े वर्ग की मोदी जी ने बात की है, क्या दलित की मोदी जी ने सुनी है, और क्या देश को करप्शन से बाहर निकाला है।
आपसे एक मैं सवाल पूछ रहा हूं राहुल शिवशंकर, आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो आपके पार्टनर्स हैं उन्होंने उतना अच्छा नहीं किया। क्या ये डिसीजन जो आपने ली इन सब लोगों को लाने के लिए जो टेंटेड थे, ये क्या आप सोचते हैं पेड ऑफ फॉर यू? बिकॉज द बीजेपी इज डूइंग वेल ऑन इट्स ओन, इट्स एलाइज हैव नॉट ब्रॉट द नंबर्स टू द टेबल।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता। देखिए, ये कोलेक्टिवली दोनों सभी तीनों पार्टियों का एक फ्रंट है जिसके कारण हम सीटें जीत रहे हैं। ऐसा कहना गलत होगा कि किसी को लाने से हम हार रहे हैं।
क्योंकि आपने मॉरल हाई ग्राउंड अपना गवा दिया करप्शन पर, करप्शन पे अपना मॉरल हाई ग्राउंड गवा दिया। क्या वो जो रिटर्न आया है वो कमेंसुरेट है रिस्क जो आपने लिया है? मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूं सर।
नहीं, मैं आपके साथ इस बात पे सहमत नहीं हूं कि हमने मॉरल हाई ग्राउंड कराया, मैं इस पे सहमत नहीं हूं। अगर कोई करप्ट है उसके खिलाफ केस चल रहे हैं, हमने ना किसी को छेड़ा है ना कराया। लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट ये है, क्या देश के लोगों को, महाराष्ट्र के लोगों को भी देश की तरह यह समझ में आया कि गरीब की बात मोदी सुनते हैं? आया। क्या ये समझ में आया कि दलित की बात मोदी सुनते हैं? आया। क्या उनको समझ में आया कि हमारे घर तक सीधी सुविधा मोदी जी पहुंचाते हैं? आया। क्या उनको ये कॉन्फिडेंस है कि मोदी जी ही हमारे भले की बात करते हैं? तो आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर। वन शुड अंडरस्टैंड द मोदी मैजिक इज वेरी मच इन महाराष्ट्र आल्सो।
Since we are talking Maharashtra, there are tight fights in Maharashtra. There could be a possibility that Arvind Sawant of the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Sena could lose this seat, whereas Piyush Goyal will comfortably win the Mumbai North seat. So these are some projections of the VVIP seats in Maharashtra. Piyush Goyal ji comfortable win, perhaps could exceed or extend the margin. This has been a stronghold of the BJP, and we had the sitting BJP MP campaigning simultaneously along with Piyush Goyal, and who has said that now he's not going to leave this. He's actually shifted his voting also to this constituency, and he could win comfortably from Mumbai North. That's the VVIP seats as far as Maharashtra, Mumbai is concerned. But there is a projection that Arvind Sawant could lose. Manisha Kayande, how important or significant will that be?
Also is a close contest.
Yeah.
Baramati is also a
Baramati
close
also a close contest.
No, we
We'll
have
put out
not called.
Baramati in just a
Very
bit.
close
Yes,
to our
Manisha ji.
heart. And Shiv Sena and Mumbai, the equation is always very strong, and therefore we are confident that we will be Shiv Sena, the Shinde, our Shiv Sena. We are contesting on the bow and arrow, and we are definitely going to win all the 3 seats in Mumbai.
This
So
is
the
very
Shiv Sena-
significant.
yeah, all
The
3
UBT,
seats in Mumbai,
the
big claim.
UBT
Yamini
losing
Yadav could
ground
beat Arvind
remarkably.
Sawant, yeah.
The UBT losing ground remarkably will have implications as we go forward in the assembly elections. It's clear that the people are not standing behind the Thackeray's, that the
Right.
Shinde Sena has also got traction on the ground. Will Mr. Shinde now become an independent player? We don't know.
Right.
So in fact, Anand, I have to tell you that when I went to Maharashtra, I was there for a significant amount of time, as much as was possible, and everybody told me, even after I returned, that you wait and watch during the assembly elections, all 6 parties are going to fight separately.
They're all going to fight separately.
Yes.
So it's going to be a multi-cornered, multi-polar.
Another key
Nalin ji,
point
quickly,
here.
Agnimitra
What these
Paul
numbers are showing
of
us what these
BJP
numbers
is
are
with
showing
us.
us is for the Shiv Sena UBT, there was always going to be a question on about the Muslim vote. The Muslim vote seems to have consolidated behind Uddhav Thackeray. Now that is very opposite to the Shiv Sena's positioning so far.
So far.
You can do this kind of balancing act once, twice, not forever. Now this result, if this is the correct, then it's showing that this is already you're seeing the negative impact
Right.
of that.
The
And
secularization.
the Hindu vote in Maharashtra, or the Hindutva vote, let me be more clear, seems to be consolidating behind the BJP. In
The
that sense.
secularization.
So
of
many
the
polls